Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to block websites on the Brave browser. Whether you're trying to stay focused or restrict access to certain sites, I've got a couple of easy methods for you. Let's get into it. It's alright. So Brave doesn't have a built-in website blocker by default. But don't worry, we can use extensions or system settings to block sites easily. Method 1. Use a Chrome extension. Since Brave is based on Chromium, it supports Chrome Web Store extensions. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for an extension called Block Site. Click Add to Brave, then click Add Extension in the pop-up. Once installed, click the extension icon at the top of Brave and open Block Site. Now, just add the websites you want to block, like youtube.com, facebook.com. You can also set schedules or password protection. Method 2. Modify the hosts file. Advanced. If you want a more permanent system-level block, you can edit your hosts file. On Windows, open Notepad as administrator and go to C. Windows Leaders System 32 drivers. Whitsick hosts. Add a line like this at the bottom. 127.0.0 Wait 1. Example.com replace example.com with the site you want to block. Save the file and restart your browser. Just be careful. Editing system files should be done cautiously. And that's it. You've now got 2 solid ways to block websites in Brave. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got any questions or need help with a step? Drop a comment and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.